everybody. Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I wanted to take a moment here. It's Mother's Day and just say happy Mother's Day to all those moms, all those that have, you know, even if they've just been a part of nurturing you in your life or encouraging you, but they weren't really a mom. Happy Mother's Day to them. All the special ladies in our lives that encourage us and help us to become who we are. So happy Mother's Day, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. I did want to remind you of a few things, and these are the freebies that are in this month's every Friday freebie. And I'm doing Friday freebies in my Facebook group and for my memberships. And if you join this month, don't forget I'm adding elements to the giveaway junk journal mystery box, so that's fun too. And also these freebies, so these are on my Ko-Fi site as well, and this was freebie 1, so this was already posted the first Friday of May. I'm not in February anymore. This is last Friday's freebie. So isn't this pretty? These are bookmarks, and of course you can make them belly bands or whatever you want them to be, but just for fun, bookmarks, and you know, just have fun with that. And then next week, this will be the Friday freebie. It's half-page pages that you can use with the vintage teacups kit. The Friday freebie for week 4 of May is this fun tea box. So I'm going to show you how to put that together. And then the last Friday, because there's 5 Fridays in May, is the vintage notes. So won't that be fun to add to your pages? Then since it's Mother's Day, I have a hidden giveaway today, and it is this pack of papers. They are 6 by 6, so there's 24 sheets. There are 12 designs and 2 of each sheet, so I thought I would show them to you. If you want to enter, it's called Garden Plants. If you want to enter, all you have to do is put the words Happy Mother's Day in the comments. You do need to be 18 or older, US only on this one, and these will be available or given away on my May 31st. I am having to pull back a little bit right now. So this is the set for this Friday's giveaway. So how fun is that? So you put the words Happy Mother's Day. So I hope you will check out all these freebies, print them. They don't cost you anything, and you can add them to your journals, or maybe make a journal with this, or a little small journal. Anyway, have a wonderful Mother's Day, and I will talk to you next time.